Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how you can make $10 to $100 per day on TikTok. First, sorry about the robotic voice. Unfortunately, English is not my native language, and I am not fluent in speaking English. But I tried my best to provide useful information to my viewers. This is not a tutorial, it is a super easy and amazing method to make some good money. Please note that this is a black hat method. So if you are looking for an authentic method to make money on TikTok, this might not be the right video for you. Since Instagram became a total whack of a platform for spamming and CPA, I was thinking, why nobody using TikTok? First, let's see what you will need to apply the method. Number 1. TikTok account. Number 2. Domain and landing page. Number 3. CPA network account, like OG Ads or CPA Build. Number 4. Time. This method is completely manual, so you have to spend some time for sure. Okay, now let's jump into more details. First, you have to set up your TikTok account and choose your niche. For this method, the best niche will be makeup, iPhone, fitness, etc. So, create an account of your niche and put some content in it. Well, you may be wondering how to get the content. You don't have to create the content. Go to Instagram and search for your niche, find some interesting videos and download them. Then crop that video and change the speed of the video to make it look original in the eyes of TikTok. When we have at least 20 videos uploaded, you are ready to go. Complete other details on your profile to make your profile look legit. With this method, we will not put CPA links anywhere in the video. We will actually send them via direct message. In order to DM other people, you need to follow each other. So you have to go to some big pages on your niche and go to their followers tab. Then start following people. This is very much the same what people used to do on Instagram. When they follow you back, then you can start sending direct messages to them. Now you have to create your landing page. I won't go to details of how to create a content locker landing page. If you don't know, please check the description below where I create a separate video on that. But in a nutshell, you have to create a one-page website with some free giveaway offers. People have to complete an CPA offer to unlock the giveaway. You actually don't have to give anything in real. Now you are all set to promote your landing page via direct messages. Just create one message with around 150 words telling them that you're about to launch a worldwide giveaway and send the URL to your landing page. You can easily follow 500 people and send 30 to 50 messages per hour. Yes, I know the method seems time-consuming and a bit unethical. Well, I already mentioned in the beginning of the video that this is a black hat method. I still remember, in the past, people used to follow the same method on Instagram and make tons of money. As the platform got more popular, it started to get more and more restricted. So this method might not work after a few months. So if you like the method, don't be late. Start acting now. Otherwise you may miss the train. Believe me, a lot of people will earn thousands of dollars from it. If you liked the video, please don't forget to subscribe. And again, sorry about the robotic voice.